this car. Can you open the door to the car? Can you open the door to the car? Is the car door open?
Can't get his hand out.
Is the car door open? Let's get the car. Where is it? Where is the car? There it is.
Good job.
Open the door. Such a silly door. Yeah. You're doing wonderful. Pretty hair. Pretty hair.
Say thank you, Reeve.
It's okay, sweetie. We're almost done. He's got a small little colic on the top, so we won't go too short.
Okay.
Because then it'll just spring up. Hi, hi. She's saying out.
He's saying help.
Oh, hi. Oh, you went out of the car already? We're almost there, cutie.
No, we have to.
Almost there. We're almost there.
School. 5 more minutes.
Not you, Dad. Me. Get out, get out. Time for school, time for school, time for school, time for school.
All right, I'm up. It's time for school.
Whoa.
You're doing wonderful.
Don't move. You'll never get out of there yourself. I'll do it. All right, where's the break? You still a break?
Play this at your wedding.
Who is rushing?